If you've ever wanted to get into an IIM right after 12th, 2026 might just be the year for you. We already know of the established options from Ranchi, Rohtak, Indore, Jammu and Bodh Gaya, but 7 new IIMs have launched their courses just this year. So, here's the only comprehensive video you'll need to watch for all the information on the top 7 newly launched courses from IIMs. Here we go. Okay. But before we get started, two important disclaimers. One, throughout the course of this video, we will be presenting the NIRF ranking for different colleges. But be advised, NIRF ranking is not the end-all, be-all metric. It's just a good anchor point. So don't just reject or say yes to a college just based on the NIRF ranking. There are other parameters which we'll talk about. And the second one is we have presented the fee data for different colleges. It's valid as of December 2025, and we have made slight approximations. So do keep an eye out for any updated information and do a background check before you proceed. Okay, so starting off with A first, let's talk about IIM Amritsar. The college itself was launched in the year 2015, and in 2025, they launched their first ever IPM course with a cohort of just 60 seats. It's a fully residential course lasting 5 years. The first 3 years after which you can exit gives you a BSFQE degree or Bachelor of Science in Quantitative Finance and Economics, after which there is a 2-year fully fledged MBA. The tuition fee for the first 3 years comes out to be around 17.75 lakhs, after which is the prevalent MBA rate. The qualifying exam for this course is the IPMAT Indoor Test Score, after which there will be an interview round. And please do note, it's mandatory to have maths in class 12 to be eligible for this course. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you might want to take a seat for this. IIM Bangalore, established in the year 1973, launched 2 new BSc courses this year with an exclusive cohort of just 80 seats, 40 plus 40 across both their programs. And the first batch of this goes live in August of 2026. Okay, so now for the 2 courses, pay attention. The first one is a BSc in Economics with a minor in Data Science and Business. And the second one is a BSc in Data Science with minors in Economics and Business. Now, this is a 4-year-long course with an exit option after the 3rd year. This newly launched 4-year course is a fully residential course, but important notice, it's not in their legacy campus, it's in the newly launched but equally beautiful campus at Jigni. The qualifying exam for this course is their unique exam called IMB UG80. The tuition fee alone for 4 years comes out to around 34 lakhs. Okay, so next up, here's a big one. IIM Kozhikode launched its BMS program in 2025. The college itself was established in the year 1996. The BMS cohort was just 120 seats, and in the 4-year-long course, the first 3 years gives you a BMS, but staying for that last year gives you a BMS Honors/Research. Now, do remember, this is not an IPM course, so there is no direct conversion to an MBA right after this. And also, it's not a fully residential course on their main campus. It's a non-residential course on their temporary campus in the Kakinad IT Park at Kochi. Okay, the qualifying exam for this course is either the proprietary BMS AT score, JEE Main score, or the SAT score. The tuition fee alone for this course comes out to be around 28 lakhs for the 4-year period, excluding any external cost.
Many of you who are watching this video will appear for IPMAT in 2026 and बहुत ज़्यादा confusion रहती है कि कौन सी कोचिंग लेनी चाहिए, कौन सी कोचिंग नहीं लेनी चाहिए. And let me tell you, PW has been in this IPMAT space since 2023 and has produced outstanding results. And on the occasion of Christmas and New Year, they have reduced the prices of all their batches by a margin. In the IPMAT Master Quest 2026 batch, you'll get live lectures with experienced faculty, DPPs and video solutions, question banks, weekly practice tests, 15 plus mock tests and 24/7 doubt support. And if you're looking for something better, then you can definitely go for IPMAT Pro 2026 batch. This includes everything in the Master Quest batch. Plus, you'll get access to all the batches launched this year and last year, 30 plus mock tests and a set of physical IPMAT books. And in my opinion, I would recommend you to go with IPMAT Pro 2026 batch because it gives you so much flexibility and value at such a price. And if you use my code RPS500, you'll get an additional discount. So make sure you check the links in the description. And अब चलते वीडियो पे.
Okay, next up, let's talk about IIM Shillong. Established in the year 2007, in 2025, they also launched their first ever IPM cohort with just 45 seats. Now, do note, having maths in class 12 is compulsory for admission, and the test score that's qualifying is the IPMAT Indoor Test Score, after which there will be an interview round. It's a fully residential 5-year-long course with an exit option after each year, and the tuition fee comes to around 11.73 lakhs for the first 3 years. Alright, next up, IIM Udaipur, established in the year 2011, has also joined the scene by stating that in 2026, they will launch a 4-year online bilingual BBA program. Now, unfortunately, we don't have any more data on the cohort size, the entrance examination, the fee structure, or the specializations on the course, so please do keep an eye out on that. Alright, now time for IIM Mumbai. It was established back in 1963 when it was known as the NITIE, and then it was formally renamed to IIM Mumbai as we know it now in the year 2023. Now, they've officially stated that they want to launch a full BSc in Digital Sciences and Business Management in the year 2026. It will be delivered at their campus in Pune. And we know that the focus areas will be things like generative AI, IoT, blockchain. So it's going to be a future-ready, game-changing program. Now, unfortunately, we don't have more data on things like the batch size or the entrance exam or the fee structure. So please do keep an eye out on the official IIM Mumbai website for more details. All right, now last but certainly not the least, IIM Lucknow, established in the year 1984, has publicly stated that they intend to launch new world-class UG programs at the intersection of high-impact areas like business, analytics, and technology. Now, we don't have any further clarification on what type of degrees they're going to launch, and at the moment, this is all very speculative. So please keep an eye out on the official IIM Lucknow websites for further updates, and please don't get distracted by any rumors. All right, so that concludes our list of the top 7 newly launched IIM degrees. Now, please do note, some of these are a little bit speculative at the nature, so please read up all the information from the official websites and don't get distracted by any rumors. You will find the links to all the official websites in the description. All the very best to all of you appearing next year, and please study consistently because as we know in IIMs, deadlines are sacrosanct. Thank you so much for watching.